Salah satu culture shock terbesar orang Afrika atau orang berkulit gelap ketika berkunjung ke Indonesia adalah sikap orang-orangnya. Bagi mereka, sikap orang Indonesia itu cukup membingungkan, karena begitu berbeda dengan pengalaman mereka di negara-negara lain. Alih-alih tatapan curiga atau jarak sosial yang kaku, yang mereka terima justru senyum, sapaan ramah, dan sikap terbuka. Orang Indonesia menyambut mereka sebagaimana menyambut tamu pada umumnya, tanpa mempersoalkan warna kulit, asal-usul, atau latar belakang. Bagi sebagian turis Afrika, pengalaman ini terasa mengharukan. Mereka tidak menyangka akan diperlakukan dengan begitu hangat di negara yang secara geografis dan budaya sangat jauh dari tanah leluhur mereka.
So, just back from Bali was amazing. I was going to say fucking amazing, but it was amazing. The people there are so kind. And you know what? There is no road signs, nothing. Scooters everywhere, cars everywhere. The driving is insane, but they're so polite to each other. Man, we could use some of that over here. They use their horn to let people know they're coming around a corner because there is no stop sign. We use our horn to tell people to get the fuck out of the way, to tell people you're in my way. Such a different vibe. I loved Bali, Indonesia. I loved it. And I miss it. I've only been back 2 days and I wish I was back there. Talk about Zen. If you get a chance, go to Bali. It's beautiful there.
Ya, bisa terlihat dalam video, wanita tersebut benar-benar dibuat kagum dengan sikap ramah orang Indonesia terhadap orang berkulit gelap. Di banyak negara barat, terkadang perbedaan warna kulit masih menjadi masalah yang sering muncul di kehidupan sosial. Sikap rasis dan diskriminatif sering dirasakan oleh banyak turis berkulit gelap. Namun di Indonesia berbeda. Tidak ada hal seperti ini di Indonesia. Bahkan seorang turis bernama Sheikh Mans sampai dibuat terharu dengan sikap orang Indonesia.
A massive surprise, a slap in the face. Basically, you'll be mind blown by how disappointed you're going to be. Absolutely. Basically, if you go there with the right mindset, you're there for exploring, you're there for the true culture, you're trying to learn, you're trying to immerse yourself into the culture, then surely you're going to have a wonderful, splendid time in Indonesia. So, let's talk about safety. Well, how safe is it for you as a black person? What can I say? Oh, I'm seeing a gorgeous Asian woman passing by right now. She looks like Thai. Oh, bloody hell. My God, I'm not joking, really. You don't believe me? There you go. Oh, absolutely. I don't know if you saw that. Well, I don't know, man. I have a thing for Asian ladies. Anything Asian. You know what I think it's already written in the stars. Like, basically, it will happen eventually. Eventually, I'll find my Asian.
Ya, bagi kita orang Indonesia, perbedaan bukanlah masalah. Sebagai negara dengan ratusan suku dan latar budaya, masyarakat Indonesia sejak lama terbiasa hidup berdampingan dengan perbedaan. Kebiasaan hidup berdampingan inilah yang membentuk cara pandang orang Indonesia menjadi lebih inklusif. Kita terbiasa melihat orang lain sebagai sesama manusia terlebih dahulu, bukan sebagai yang berbeda. Seiring waktu, banyak orang Afrika yang tidak hanya merasa nyaman, tetapi mulai menganggap Indonesia sebagai rumah kedua. Bukan sekadar tempat berlibur atau bekerja, melainkan tempat di mana mereka merasa memiliki ikatan emosional.
How's the vibes today?
Oh my God, it's amazing, you know. For me, it's amazing, like seeing people around, like I feel like home. Indonesia is my home, but I felt home, like that home, like African home, right? I see people, like, you know, having fun, eating. As you can see, you can tell everything went well. So I'm happy. I'm here. I get to eat like a lot of African food, and they have like very good food. And I make meat pie. I bake actually. So it's like Afro and Afro pie, ex-Afro food.
Pengalaman turis Afrika di Indonesia menunjukkan bahwa keramahan memiliki kekuatan besar. Sambutan hangat, sikap terbuka, dan penerimaan tanpa membedakan warna kulit menciptakan pengalaman manusiawi yang mendalam. Indonesia membuktikan bahwa keberagaman tidak harus memisahkan, justru bisa menyatukan.